केंद्र सरकार द्वारा चलाई जा रही संवेदना हेल्प सेंटर व प्रदेश में चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर विकसित करने के लिए हमीरपुर जिला प्रशासन के साथ राष्ट्रीय बाल अधिकार संरक्षण के सदस्य डॉक्टर आरजी आनंद ने बैठक कर विस्तृत चर्चा की। इसके अलावा प्रदेश में बाल संरक्षण को लेकर चलाए जा रहे वन स्टॉप सेंटरों पर भी बेहतर काम करने के लिए भी अधिकारियों के साथ रूपरेखा तैयार की गई। राष्ट्रीय बाल अधिकार संरक्षण के सदस्य डॉक्टर आरजी आनंद ने हमीरपुर के हमीर भवन में जिला अधिकारियों के साथ बैठक की अध्यक्षता की।
नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स recently initiated a scheme called Samvedana. It's a COVID toll-free number. Samvedana is a COVID toll-free number. The number is 1800-121-2830. If the children dials 1800-121-2830 in the morning 9 to evening 5, they can get every children has a right to get the quality counseling. In both the infected and the affected children can get the status. Say for example, if some infected children means who are all COVID positive children, they can get the rehabilitative counseling to our trained counselors across India. So in order to address that, we are planning to implement a counselor in the district level, but due to pandemic situation, everybody handling, you know that India is one of the country handling the pandemic in a very diplomatic and in a right way, so that we need counseling, but we need to give the counseling to the children on the regional languages. That is very important. And then counseling also given by the trained counselors, and we need to give the feedback also. For that we initiated the system called Samvedana. No positive cases are found out, means the children are in the homes are given the proper care, that no positive cases are found out so far in the district. Means the CCI children are under safe during the pandemic period. Second thing is, even the one point implementation of Shakti, that one stop center, that Shakti center, this district has achieved 88% of delivery care to the general public. I'm telling about the care delivery is prominent in this in our district. Secondly, this operation Muskan and Smiley, it is an everyone knows that it is an pan-India level operation to tracing out the missing children. So, in this regard, the Himachal has a very good record of rescue of children. Especially, this district also have a good Hamirpur children's or the Hamirpur family members of guardians should utilize this number, that for Samvedana number for getting the quality counseling. Everybody knows that Himachal is one among the prominent state for delivering the rights and care of the children in a very prominent manner. Himachal is the one state which is prominent delivering the thing. So we are planning to create the child-friendly districts and child-friendly atmosphere on the selected districts. We have a group of we are planning for a consultation meeting initially, and we are planning to how to improve the district towards the child-friendly. That is the ultimate motto of this meeting. What is the meaning for child-friendly? Easily accessible for all the schemes, number one. Number two is grievances should be addressed immediately. Number three, implementation of state government through SCPCR, state SCPCR policies and NCPC policies to the public immediately. Record of trace out the missing children.
बीती यादों से नाता सहेजना सीखा, हाथ थाम कर जिनके चलना सीखा, गिरने लगती जब तो उनसे संभलना सीखा, उनकी डांट से खुद को तराशना सीखा, घर से दूर होकर भी दिल को हमेशा यह एहसास रहता है, उनका प्यार और फिक्र हमेशा मेरे साथ रहता है। भूषण ज्वेलर्स, अनमोल रिश्तों के लिए।